is curled curly hair. So beautiful, guys, so beautiful. This wig comes in several colors, okay? We have burgundy, we have color 27, we have the color natural color, we also have color 30. Okay, now. We have so many different colors. Okay, so this is one color. Okay, this is one color. Wow. Okay, so you can actually look anyhow. If you want this color, you can actually buy this color, or you can buy all the colors because the prices are very affordable. And it has got a headband. This one also has got a headband. This is exactly the headband. Wow. And that is also an adjustable strap. Okay, can you guys see the adjustable strap? And also it is big head friendly, it's breathable and big head friendly. Wow. Okay, so this is another color. Okay, this is the burgundy. It comes like this. Okay, first you take it off this, and then it has got this paper inside to keep the hairstyle. And this is how this one also look. This is all curled. Okay, this is curled, and of course it's actually dread with some curl in it. So we actually call it coiled, you know, because of how they have curled this part. So when you wear it, you can decide to style it anyhow you want it. It's all fine, and it's very full. Very, very, very full. You can use this wig for winter, summer, anytime. It's okay. Okay, guys, this is another one. Wow, this is also very beautiful. And the same thing with the headband is another color. So you can choose your color. Let me know your favorite color. Well, my favorite color is this one. So what's your favorite color? And then we have the natural color. This is the natural color. Wow, natural color. And that is the coil thing there, and it's also dread, and it can be used for any occasion, school, everyday wear, whatever. You can use this here. But I love this one on my head.